Latest on the transfer news sanibona bafethu uvani lo so namhlanje Orlando Pirates ihibe indaba ezimnandi kakhulu yabo abalandeli beOrlando Pirates bayibonile ke le indaba lezi bafethu. There are 4 players aba-announce Orlando Pirates okuba okuwulungu, okuwuZulu, okungwato noMthiyane. I spoke about these players last week ngasho ukuthi Orlando Pirates ke uthi ke isikhulumile nalama team alabadlali. Bashiwo ukuthi ke abajida bazoyijoin Orlando Pirates. Nangempela ke namhlanje Orlando Pirates ivukile nje yasinikeza indaba ezimnandi kakhulu yabo. So each and every player ola weOrlando Pirates uthengiwe. Yabo each and every player okhona la uthengiwe, but ke there is a difference kubani na kolumjida lo uMthiyane. There was a swap deal nobani na swap deal benolibitso ulebitso kumdlalo Orlando Pirates. Ulebitso bafethu is a good player. I saw many people saying Vani, how can you say ukuthi ke ulebitso is not a player ubungayigcina Orlando Pirates yabo. Mina ngokwami I don't think ulebitso bafethu besazoqhubeka adlale kahle kuOrlando Pirates. Yes, he's a good player ulebitso, but in terms of the age and ama injuries umjida ubeselimala kakhulu and Orlando Pirates idinga another right back, and isikhulumile isikhulumile vele nePulukwane City okuMatuluti odlala nabafana currently le eMexico. So uMatuluti in terms of ukureplace uzomreplace yona uzomreplace ulebitso, and Orlando Pirates ikwazile ukuthi ke ishayi swap deal with Stelis for uMthiyane with imali ngaphezulu. So for me I think idile kahle kakhulu le for Orlando Pirates yabo. In terms of Orlando Pirates ithole ideal ekahle, but ke abajida abasayinile. You can tell me ukuthi ke ibapha abajida olangazela ukubabona kakhulu bedlala for Orlando Pirates. Kwezinye izindaba Orlando Pirates iannouncile ke abajida ebadedelile. Imdedelile uGilberto, yamdedela uKarim Kimvidi, yamdedela uShandu, yamdedela uSipho Mbule benomabasa. I spoke about these players bafethu at the beginning of the season, not at the beginning per se, but ke I think kokuJanuary ngasho ukuthi labajida kungenzeka bahambe uma isizini isiphelile. Nakempela ke nako Orlando Pirates ibadedela basakhona abanye ongenzeka bahambe, but ke Orlando Pirates so far isadedele laba mhlambe ke kulaba abanye abasele kusakhulunywa maybe mhlambe ingxoxo zokuthi ke bare negotiate ama contracts yabo. Bakhona oMakhehleni Makhawula, bakhona uThapelo Xoki, bakhona oDlamini yabo. There are many players abakhona currently ongenzeka nabo bayishiya Orlando Pirates esengakhuluma vele ngabo ngaphambilini, but ke these are the players abasahambile so far. Ngiyakhala kakhulu ngobani bafethu, ngiyakhala ngumabasa, but ke awukwazi ukusho lutho because umabasa the only person ongakwazi ke ayistophe obengakwazi ke ayistophe imove yamabasa uthi ke umabasa ahambe as a free agent bekubani bekucoach Abdislam Wadu, but ke Abdislam Wadu akusiyena umjida angamsebenza kakhulu ubani na umabasa is not that kind of player you can use yabo kule system edlaliso Abdislam Wadu. So I understand I decision ayithathile uAbdislam Wadu, but ngiyakhala nje kakhulu. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu kuPetro Premiership 2 Golden Arrows izodedela 6 wabadlali ubana okuBrandon Teron, Keenan Phillips, Sanele Shabalala, Gladwin Shitolo, Sazi Gumbi and Duduzo Mhlongo. Abadlali abawu6 bafethu kuthiwa bazodedelwa eGolden Arrows. Ngingengazi ke bafethu ukuthi ke ibaphi abadlali abazothola ama team right la, but ke Keenan Phillips is a very good defender umjida. I know him. Omunye umdlali bafethu uShitolo naye is another good player lapha bafethu. There are many players abasengawathola ama team vele la kuPetro Premiership. Singesazi ukuthi ke imaphi ama team athanda ukusayina ama free agents. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu siwelele FC sign ama youngsters okubani na okuThulo benotebogo Mashughe. Abajida ke bafethu bazodlalela inina bazodlalela iStelis in the upcoming season. I like lento le yenziwe iStelis bafethu. They tend to focus kakhulu kuma youngsters okuyinto amateam amaningi la kuPetro Premiership ekumele ngabayenza kakhulu bapushe more youngsters into this Petro Premiership, because leyo nto leyo izosiza kakhulu ukuthi ke italent lethu likwazi ukilisize iNational team. Singadlala kuNational team ngabadlali abadala kakhulu, laba abanye banikezwe ithuba abadlali kuPetro Premiership. Singayikolanda abadlali bangaphandle yabo, abadlali bangaphandle abadlala kwamanye countries bazodlala la kuBetway. Cha, we must introduce these youngsters into the Betway Premiership professional football. Bathole i-game time, bathole experience, nabo bafethu ongwato bayitholile ithuba lokuthi bodlalela Orlando Pirates. Usuka kusona isiwelelo umjidi ubedlala kahle kakhulu. Right now seyodlalela Orlando Pirates. He's a youngster also yabo, so we'll never know but ke I'm looking forward to see these youngsters next season. Kwezinye izindaba futhi Kaizer Chiefs namhlanje announcile ukuthi ke bayodlala with i-team yase Zimbabwe okuyi-Scotland FC esidlala kakhulu le eZimbabwe bafethu. If you remember, Kaizer Chiefs, they announced this competition back in 2023 if I'm not mistaken, lapho khona badlala khona neYanga abashaya, kwathi last season badlala neteam yaseGhana. Leyo team yaseGhana yabashaya kuma penalties. So right now bazodlala futhi nale team le okuyi-Scotland FC, bayodlala le Royal Bafokeng ngomhla 26 July. So muzazi ukuthi uhlala le Northwest ungakhohlwa bafethi Kaizer Chiefs izodlala lapha mshokade nagcina ukuyibona Kaizer Chiefs. So kumele nenze show ukuthi ke niyawathenga amathikithi ukuze ke nizobona the mighty Kaizer Chiefs. Let's hope ke bazoyiwina this time le ndebe le, because ever since bayisungula abakaze bayiwine le ndebe le. But ke le ndebe le introduce ama players, introduce ijersey, yabo nje ukwakha nje nobudlelwane with ama team abadlala nawo, yabo. So I'm looking forward to see le game lezo besiphathele. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile kuthiwa abafethu amaZulu FC have tied down i-contract entsha with ubani nawo, with uDube beno-Andisa Sithole. Abajita ke bafethu basazoqhubeka badlale kumaZulu FC. Abajita bayadlala ngifuna uqamanga because mengikhumbula kahle bafethu, I remember this young boy uSithole, umjita bafethu uyadlala uSithole. Angazi kwenzeka leni kule season esiphuma kuyona, but umjita I used to follow uSithole a lot kule season esiphuma kuyona leya. Umjita ubedlala ngempela kule season esiphuma kuyona. Angazi mhlawumbe ke umjita uphazamiswa ama injuries noma kwenzakaleni, but ke basazoqhubeka abajita badlale kumaZulu. Atazwana uyabelieve kakhulu lama youngsters. Let's hope next season bazo provide more kule maZulu akhona currently, yabo. Sekusele kancane iSikhukhune United announce ucoach waso omusha okuzoba na okuzoba uCedric Kaze. Cedric Kaze bafethu the former Kaizer Chiefs co-coach ube coacher with ubanina uKhalil Ben Yusuf. Abajita abawu2 yibona ongenzeka sibabone bebuya la kuBetway Premiership, because yena ke uCedric Kaze uyitholele nje iqembu lakhe okuyiSikhukhune. Kanti ke uKhalil Ben Yusuf yena ke kungenzeka simbone evumbuka kuphi na, evumbuka kwiDurban City. Okuyinkinga ke la kwiDurban City bakhona abanye ocoach engibazwile kuthiwa ke bama candidates uthi ke balithole lela thuba lokuthi babo coach okuba nawo ku-Eric Tinkler. Eric Tinkler is another candidate ongenzeka abe ucoach weDurban City. So it's a matter of contracts ukuthi ke ingaba ama contracts akanjani. But nje asazi, yabo, izinto nje zi up and down kuBetway Premiership current. Kwezinye izindaba futhi iSikhukhune United kuthiwa ke sesifuna ukusayina uAthekos Mcaba umjita kwi-midfielder. If ngikhumbula kahle uAthekos Mcaba bafethu ube free agent, yabo. Mhlambe ke I may be lying, but I think he was on the list of players who were released by Stelis, if I'm not mistaken. But yes, iSikhukhune they want to sign this player umjita uzodlala for iSikhukhune next season if the deal does